Hi and welcome back. My name is Emily. In this video we are going to take a closer look at one new stamp set from Miss Ink called Kinder Spirits, and this will be released on the 21st of September, so in a couple of days if you're watching this the day it goes up. And I will just share with you this cute little stamp set and how I colored it in. So I used my alcohol markers and I just picked one really light shade of purple and one light shade of pink, and I will go over the image and just create some neat effects. And you can see these cute ghosts creating a heart, and they are sort of holding hands. That is something I imagine anyway when I'm looking at this image. So they are super cute, and this stamp set comes with a lot of sentiments. For example, it has everything I boo for you. I think that is super cute. And I love you, heart and soul. And I will go with the two other sentiments that says we are kinder spirits and we belong together. So that is the one I will be using. And for my background, this is sort of my take on a clean and simple card. So you can see here that I am using a blending tool, and I'm using the hand-drawn hearts stencil from Miss Ink, and I'm using one shade of pink. And don't mind that recipe that I have laying to the right of the screen. I work as a teacher, and that is just something I had left over, and I just used it so it didn't go to waste. Sorry. And after I had inked through my stencil, I created sort of a highlight underneath my stencil with the same shade of pink as I used through the stencil. I just used what I had left in my brush to create that look, and I really like it. And to create an even more fun effect, I used the Sparkles stencil from Miss Ink, and I went over it with some this is like a glitter paste, and you will see here in a second what it's called. I'm pretty sure I'm showing you that one. So this effect really looks like an embellishment when it's all done. I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but it's super like shimmery and glittery. So this is Stickles that I used. And I cut my panel after it had dried a little bit down, and then I went with a gray panel underneath just to create some more dimension on this card, because it's a quite easy card to replicate if you'd like to. So just that little element of taking another color to my card base really makes this card come to life. And for my sentiment, I will sort of cut this down and adhere them together like a sentiment and have my ghost above it. And I used foam adhesive strips for my sentiment, and that is also a trick if you have a simple card like this. It also creates this dimension and it brings everything together. Off camera I went in with a lot of sequins, and this is how the card turned out. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give this video a thumb up, and if you want to see even more inspiration with the Kinder Spirits stamp set, please visit our Instagram account and our blog for even more inspiration. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!